Yeah, good morning to all. Again, this is Sudhagar from Department of Information Technology. And today's lecture we are going to see about the frames in HTML. So in the last videos, we have discussed about how to create a web page, how to create list, how to create a table, and how to create other properties in our web pages. And today's class, we will discuss about how to create a frame, because in each and every website, in day-to-day life, we are seeing many websites, we are searching many things in internet. So normally the website's basic website structure will be different sections like frames. Okay, so in this section, in this class, in this session, we are going to discuss about how to create a frames and how to create a web page and how to link with the frames of the different HTML files. Okay, so this is a general structure about our HTML programming language. So normally HTML programming consists of different tags, like starts with the HTML and end with /HTML and head section and body sections. Okay, and normally we will create the contents and we will design everything inside the body tag. So body and /body, in between these sections, in this body sections only we are going to create a content in our web page. Okay, once we created the content, so all these contents will be displayed in the browser. So this is the user working area. So this will be the head section, that is title section. This is the address bar, this is the menu bar, and this is the working area. So in this working area only we are going to display our contents. Okay, first we will see the sample HTML and we will create a frames. Okay, so I am now created a title as welcome page, and body background, I have set the background as penguins.jpg. This background image will be appeared in the browser background page. So now I will open the browser. Okay, it will show like this. So in the background we will do the two things. One is we can change the colors and we can change the background also. So now I am setting the background image in this body section. Suppose I want to change the background color, means I have to use the body attribute as PG color. So this is the attribute. So that is the property, and property value will be, I will give the color values, like for example yellow color I want to put in my background. So I have to save my program, and every time we need to refresh our web page. So once we refresh, the existing background image will be disappeared and a new background color will be appeared in our background design. Okay, so this is the general HTML structure. Now we will design the frames. So why I am discussing about the HTML structures before creating the frames, means frames consist of a frame set and frame source. There are two tags only available for creating the frames by using frame set tag. So frame SRC is the sub tag. Okay, the frame structure will be, I am going to create the frame structure by using MS Paint. Okay, now I am going to create, for example, this is our browser website page. So in this website I am going to create this will be one section, and next this will be second section. So this is the entire frame structure. This is the entire frame, that is entire website, that is 100% browser. So in this browser I am going to divide into three different browsers. Like this is frame 1, this is F1, and this is F2 and this is F3. So I am going to create 3 different browsers. Okay, so how we are going to create? Okay, so this is the 100% browser window. So in this I am to create first, this will be 25%. So remaining 75% will be here. Okay, and then in this 75%, now I am going to consider this 75 as a 100%. So this 100% again divided into 2 parts. Here will be 30% and balance will be 70% will be considered for F3. Okay, so frame 1 is 25% and frame 2 consists of 75%, and next the frame 2 will be further divided into 2 sections, 75 that is 30% and 70%. Okay, now we are going to design the same thing in our web page also. Okay, by using frames. Okay, now I am going to create a file like HTML, and it is a container tag, so we need to close the tag. Mandatory, we have to close the tag. So HTML and /HTML. So one important thing we have to consider this. So while creating the frame, we should not use the body tag and head tag, because once if we use the body tag, the compiler or the processor will get confused where we are going to divide the window, because we are going to split the single browser into multiple windows. Now we are in the example which we design in the Paint, we are going to divide the browser, single browser, into 3 different browsers. So now I am going to I am not going to use the body tag. Instead I am going to use the frame tag. So this is the tag, like frame set. This is the tag name. This is also a container tag, so I need to close frame set. Okay, now okay, parallelly we will check the example that is design. Okay, so now we are going to first thing F1, F2 is the I am going to split the browser into row wise. Okay, row wise. Column wise means horizontally we can divide. Okay, now we are going to divide into row wise, so top and bottom. So first frame is frame set, and what kind of frames we are going to create? Okay, a row. So ROWS, it is an attribute, is equal to, within double quotes we need to specify the size of the frame. That is, for example, so in the design, this is 25%, this is balance 75%. So now I am going to give first attribute as 25%, comma, star, asterisk symbol. So if you know the size, we can specify 75. Suppose I am going to give 22.275 likewise in the first frame size, and the second size I don't know to calculate, so I am not interested in that. So simply we can give asterisk symbol. So the balance remaining size will be kept in the second frame. Okay, so I am going to save this program as main.html. Okay, main.html. So this is the program. Okay, in this example I will explain. First program, main.html, we are going to create. So in the main.html file, we are going to create 2 frames like row wise. So first row file is top, second one is bottom. Okay, this is top, and this entire frame is bottom. This is bottom, and then this bottom file is further divided into left and right. Okay, likewise we are going to divide. Okay, now we have divided into frame set rows, 25% first window, and second window will be the balance size. Okay, next subtag now just frame only created. Okay, I'll update the, I will save the program. Now we can open the same file, that is main.html. main.html, nothing will be there because I'm not completed everything. So just I have created a two windows and split it two frames only. So now I am going to load the file. So now only I can see the output. Frame src, frame is a tag, src is an attribute, is equal to, I am going to upload my existing files like in the same drive, d:, web is my folder, and top is my file name, top.html, and the second file name is bottom, because we need to upload two source files, d:/web/bottom.html. Okay, yeah. Now I have completed the my main file. Okay, hope now we will get the frames. Just I will refresh the window. Yes, we will get the two different windows. Okay, this is one browser, separate browser. This is another separate browser. Okay, we are now we have divided two windows, top and bottom. Okay, again bottom further classified into separated into left and right. Okay, second, so in this bottom file I am going to create a new file called as bottom. Okay, now I am going to use the same thing. Instead of using rows, I am going to use calls. The size is 30%, balance will be kept as the second file. So this is left.html. I have not created any left.html. We will create a file, and this is right.html. Okay. Now we will see the output. Okay. So this is what we designed already. So this is one frame, this is another frame, this is another frame. There are three different windows, F1, F2, F3, and here also we can get F1, F2, F3. Three different browsers. Okay. Now I am going to access. Suppose in my system is in internet connection, I will open different websites. In these in a single browser we can access multiple websites also. Okay. So now I am going to create left.html and right.html. Okay. Okay. Already top.html is there. So just we can change the color now. In left side it will show like red. Left.html. In the right side, so the color is green. Right.html. Okay, now we will open the browser and just we can refresh it. Yes, we can get it. Now, three different HTML files is inserted into our frames. So this is top, this is left, and this is right. Okay, so this is in this way only we can create the frames. Okay, so just we'll recap the quick review about frames. So frames, which helps to divide a single browser into multiple windows, and each and every frames will be accessed with the different websites or different HTML files. So by using while creating the frames, only one important thing we have to consider in our mind, we have to keep it in, that is we should not use any body tag, or we should not use any head section or title section, because if you're using the body tag, processor or the compiler will get confused, okay, where we are going to divide the window or where we are going to upload the contents. Okay, so only one thing we have to consider is we should not use body tag while creating the frames. That is the important thing. And by using frame set tags, we can divide the window. And once we created the frame set, we need to upload the files by using frame src. So this is the file, and all the files will be saved with the extension of .html. Okay. Thank you everyone. We'll see the next lecture. Thank you.